It takes a journey to overcome fear, and typically a combination of techniques and mental adjustments are needed. The following significant secrets may be of assistance. 1. Recognize your fear. The first step is awareness. Recognize the sources of your fear and the ways it appears. This clarity makes it easier for you to deal with it. 2. Face your fears. Running from your fears makes them worse. Take baby steps toward exposing yourself to what you fear, and then increase your exposure over time. Through exposure therapy, you can become less sensitive to the source of your fear. 3. Face negative thoughts. Fear is frequently the result of negative thought patterns. Examine these ideas critically by determining whether they are supported by facts or if they are feasible. Substitute them with more logical and optimistic ideas. 4. Practice mindfulness. By bringing you back to the present, mindfulness practices like deep breathing, meditation, and present-focused attention can help you deal with fear. 5. Visualize your success. Make use of the ability to visualize in order to picture yourself conquering your fear. Your brain can be rewired and confidence can be increased by visualizing successful outcomes. 6. Seek support. Never hesitate to ask for help from friends, family, or a therapist. Talking to people about your anxieties might help you gain perspective, support, and useful guidance. 7. Establish achievable goals. Break down your fear into small, attainable stages and establish realistic goals. Recognize and appreciate each little accomplishment along the road, because progress is progress no matter how tiny. 8. Develop self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness as you go. Recognize that conquering fear requires patience and perseverance, and that obstacles are an inevitable part of the process. Show yourself the same consideration that you would a buddy going through a comparable situation. 9. Concentrate on what you can control. Pay attention to your thoughts, deeds, and reactions rather than obsessing over the things that are beyond your control. This change in perspective gives you the ability to move on with purpose. 10. Continue learning and developing. When confronted with information and experience, fear frequently fades. Learn coping mechanisms, become knowledgeable about your fear, and push yourself consistently to go beyond your comfort zone. Recall that conquering fear is a journey, and it's acceptable to go at your own speed. As you go, remember to appreciate your bravery and have patience with yourself.